Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let S1 be the sum of first two n term of an arithmetic progression. So, first try to note down these things. So, what is Sn? This is S1. So, who is S1? It is sum of first two n terms, and it can be of any AP. Okay, arithmetic progression. Now we have S2. S2 be the sum of first four n terms of the same arithmetic progression. Okay, who is S2? S2 is sum of first four n terms of the same AP. Okay, if S2 minus S1 is 1000, then the sum of first six n term of the arithmetic progression is equal to. So we have to find out the sum of first six n term of an arithmetic progression. Now look at this, how we will approach this question. So if you will observe, we don't have any arithmetic progression, so we can take any arithmetic progression, correct? Okay, so if we don't have any restrictions, what you have to do, you have to imagine this as the AP 1 1 1 1 1. It is an AP whose first term is 1, common difference is 0. Okay, and why I am taking this sequence? Because like if I'll ask you what is the sum of 10 terms, you can easily answer. Okay, you guys can take 1 2 3 4 5 dot dot dot, but adding them will become little bit difficult as compared to this one. It is much more convenient. Okay, so look at the idea. Now you know that the sum of first 2n term for this series would become 2n, and the sum of first 4n term to this sequence will become 4n. Now we have this situation. They are saying that S2 minus S1 equals 1000. Who is S2? S2 is 4n. S1 is 2n equals 1000. So we got 2n equals 1000 and we got n as 500. So we got the value of n. Now what is the idea? We have to calculate the sum of first 6n term. So sum of first 6n terms will become what? Will become 6n, correct? And we know that the value of n is 500. Okay, so this will become this. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.